couple weeks ago, I was out at my property working on my tractor, trying to figure out what fuses were blown because there were some things not working. Now, a friend was over and he saw me do something that he hadn't, I guess, seen before. And since then, I've spoken with a few people, and it's crazy. A lot of people don't know this. It's really only common with these older style fuses. The newer, smaller fuses don't usually have the ability to do this. But on these older fuses, if you've ever looked at them, they have this little groove here between these two prongs of the fuse. Well, I'm sure it was meant for this. You can just get that and go over another fuse and pull that fuse out. You can use it to put it back in, and they just go over the top. I mean, that's the whole reason that little notch is there, from my understanding. And it's been there for as long as I can remember on these old fuses. So if you're working on your boat, working on your tractor, anything that uses these old style fuses, you just slide it over the top of the fuse, just like that, and use it to pull it out. And this is a new fuse block that's going to go into my boat. These actually are pretty hard to get out if you just try to do it by hand. So most of the time people would probably get some needle nose pliers, things like that, to pull that out. Well, if you have another fuse, especially if you have spares, like this one has a slot here for a few spares, well, you've got a fuse grabber. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.